Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today is Sunday and the date is 25th of April 2021. This is your mathematics class and I'm your maths teacher, Miss Samara. My dear students, our today's topic is based on multiplication. As today we are going to start the third mathematical operation of mathematics, that is multiplication. So let's learn about the multiplication. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same addend, or when we add the same number two times or more than two times, then the process can be called as multiplication. For example, here we have four sets of three balls. In each set we have three balls. So if we have to find out that how many balls are there all together, then we can add all these sets. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 12 balls. So it means 3 is the addend and it is the repeated addition of the same addend. So if we take it again, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 12. It means this is 4 times 3 and the time is always written in the form of multiplication sign. 4 times 3 is equals to 12 balls. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 12. And 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. This is called multiplication statement. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same addend. So for that, let's have one more example. Here you can see that we have 5 sets of stars and in each star set we have 2 stars. So when we add, it means this is the repeated addition of 2 and we are adding 2 5 times. So 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10 stars. Either we add 2 5 times or we multiply, we get as 10. Here we have one more example. We have 3 sets of smiling faces. In each set we have 5. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 3 times 5. And 3 times 5 will be equals to 15. So these are 15 smileys. Now let's come towards the terms of multiplication. As already we have discussed about the terms are the names of a question. So here we have the multiplication statement and each digit or number has a different name. So here the first name is called multiplicand and the number that is written after the multiplicand, it is called multiplier. And the answer of the multiplication is called product. So my dear students, multiplicand and multiplier, when they both multiplied with each other, we get the product. Multiplicand is the term that is going to be multiplied. Here we have the example. We have set of boxes. So we have 6 set of boxes and in each set we have 4 boxes. So 6 is the multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier and after multiplication we get the answer as 24. And 24 is called product, and the whole equation is called multiplication statement. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 4 is equals to 24. 6 fours are 24. All these are called the statements. Now come towards the properties of the multiplication. The first property is, even if the multiplicand and multiplier are interchanged, the product remains same. Yes. Like here in this example, the multiplicand is 3 and the multiplier is 4 and the answer is 12. So if we write 4 as multiplicand and 3 as multiplier, we get the same answer. So it means 4 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 4, they both are equal. Like this, if we multiply any two numbers and we change their place, we get the same answer. And according to the second property of multiplication, we can multiply two or more than two numbers also. Like here we are multiplying only two numbers, but we can multiply more than two numbers. Like 5 times 2 is 10, and then we have to multiply it by 4. 10 times 4 is equals to 40. So here we have multiplied three numbers at the same time. Now come to the third property of the multiplication, and according to this property, when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. 15 times 0 will be 0, or 0 times 28 will be 0. Even if we have more than two numbers and among these numbers one number is 0, the product will be 0. You can see the examples here. Now come to the fourth property of the multiplication, and according to this, when any number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. Like 17 multiplied by 1 is equal to 17, or 1 multiplied by 94 is equals to 94. Any number when we multiply by 1, we get the number itself. So I hope, my dear students, you understood about the multiplication terms and its properties. Here is a beautiful thing. It always seems impossible until it's done. So we have to try each and everything in mathematics and we have to make it possible. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.